Let's buy pasalubong at Island Souvenirs and Shamrock and relax and enjoy the romantic view with 10,000 roses. Hello and welcome back to the Life of Pierre channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer and find this channel valuable, please click the subscribe button and share this to your friends and family. Thank you for the huge favor and God bless. Now let's get back to the video. We went to Island Souvenirs because we were looking for a place where we can buy pasalubong for our mothers and friends back home. This place is just nearby Magellan's Cross. Therefore, we just grabbed the opportunity to go and look for some souvenirs. Maraming choices ng souvenirs na maaari mong bilhin. Ilan dito ay ang t-shirts, towels, caps, hats, mugs, tote bags at mga pagkain. Please be reminded na bawal sa hand carry na luggage ang kalamay. Kaya if you want to try it, better eat it there na lang. Speaking of food, we went to a famous food souvenir shop here in Cebu, and it is Shamrock. The prices of the food here are cheaper than what you can buy from the stalls around Cebu. They also make otap, one of the famous delicacies here in Cebu. After buying pasalubong, let's go to another famous tourist spot here in Cebu, the 10,000 Roses Cafe and more. Let's go! It is located at Cordova, Cebu. We will pass the SMC side and the Cordova Bridge or the CC Lex that is more than 8 kilometers long. We are excited to pass this bridge because it is our first time to cross it. It is also a marvelous structure to see. After a few minutes of fun ride, we have finally arrived here at 10,000 Roses Cafe and more. We were anticipating the time to see the sunset here, and thank God we've made it. We paid an entrance fee of 30 pesos per head. Let me show and share to you our experience. The romantic and beautiful music will greet you upon entering the place.
Magalit.
While walking towards the 10,000 Roses field, we enjoyed taking photos with the 10,000 Roses, its signage, and the art. The main attraction here is the field full of 10,000 white roses that will light up at night. It is a beautiful scene to witness, even more enticing as the sun sets. You may also enjoy the cafe here beside the sea. The ambience is cozy and great, and if you want to have a bathroom break, their comfort room is accessible and clean. This is definitely a beautiful place to be with family, and a romantic place with your loved ones. After relaxing for a while and enjoying the view here, it is time for us to head back to our accommodation. Thank you for being with us at the Island Souvenirs, Shamrock, and the 10,000 Roses. We hope that you've enjoyed the video. For now, it's time to rest because tomorrow we will worship God together with our brethren at Basak Church, and after that, we will explore Ocean Park Cebu and dine at SM City Seaside. See you in our next adventure. This is Pierre of the Life of Pierre channel. Thank you for watching and God bless.